Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Style My Way Usha. Today I'm recreating these Chanel pumps which I saw. I really love these Block Heel pumps. So I wanted to recreate them. As you know that Chanel is too expensive and I can't afford it. So I bought these Block Heel pumps from L brand from Mintra. So I'll provide the link for all the products in the description box below. Then I'm using these square shaped mirrors I bought from Amazon and B7000 glue, which also I got from Amazon. Now I'm removing the lace of the pumps so that I can stick these mirrors, and using this B7000 glue I'm going to stick the mirrors one by one. So at first I started using the plucker to pick the mirror and put it over the glue. First I made a line in the center, so division, like I can start it symmetrically. So that's why I started from the center. I think it's better to start anything from the center so that you can stick the mirrors in a very neat way and it looks very aesthetic also. So that's why I started with the center line, and then later on I felt that using my hands was a better way of sticking these mirrors. So it's according to your convenience that you can use anything you want, but if you're using a plucker, please use a fabric to clean the plucker once in a while, because the glue keeps on sticking and then it comes over the mirrors and it doesn't look good. So I did that too, but then for me hands were the best option. So while sticking the mirrors, I had to go in a very systematic way, leave a little bit of space while sticking the mirrors, and then you will also need a glass cutter so that you can cut the mirrors in the shape that you want, because once you have stuck all the mirrors there are a little bit of spaces left, so you have to cut the mirrors a little bit and stick them. I used my scissors, they were sharp enough and they were cutting properly, so that was okay with me, but I think using a glass cutter is a better option, so you will need that for this DIY. So please stick the mirrors the way I have shown you, because it was the most easiest method I found for sticking the mirrors, so that's why I'm sharing it with you. So if you want to do this DIY, you need a lot of patience, because it took me almost like 3 4 days, I guess, to stick all the mirrors. But it's a DIY which has to be done patiently, taking a lot of time, because you need to stick all the mirrors in such a way that the pattern of the shoes is also done properly, so that it gives a nice look to your shoe. Like you can see on the sides, I went with the pattern of the shoes, so that's why it looks very pretty and beautiful when I wear it. And what I did is, when I was going like for a curve on the sides, I just left a little bit of space, giving it a proper shape. So you have to see all that and stick the mirrors. So now I wanted to fill the gaps, so I had to use a scissor to cut the mirrors into shape, but you please use a glass cutter. It's the much better option, because when you cut with the scissor it gives raw edges and it's not good. It might cut your skin when you wear the shoes. Then I started sticking the mirrors on the back of the pumps, as you can see. So I stuck like 3-4 lines on the back, started with the center as usual, and then filled in all the gaps on the sides.
We worked our week, we need a day, 24-hour getaway. Let's take it slow, fill up our tank, try to forget yesterday. The weather's hot, the beer's ice cold, tie that tube up to that boat. Pack the Yeti, rally up your friends, find some water, jump on in. Land, let's go, go, go and play, soak that sun up on that lake. Feeling good on a Sunday fun day. Let's go, go, get carried away, grab a drink, time to party. Feeling good on a Sunday fun day. Raise your cup, leave your worries behind. Recharge your soul and forget about life for a while. Let the chips fall far where they may. We're feeling good on a Sunday fun day. Yes, Sunday fun day. Take a moment to relax, spend the afternoon kicking back. It's a no worries kind of day. Let's feed our soul in our happy place. 'Cause all we got is one day left. Let's make it count.
So I'm done with sticking all the mirrors and it looks so beautiful and perfect. The look came out exactly the same as I had seen in the pictures. So now I'm going to paint the block heels. So first of all, I took white pearl paint to give the base coat. Actually, you could use plain white paint and then go over it with white pearl paint. I felt that would have been much better, because it gives a nice pop of color. If you want that kind of pop of color, then you should go with white paint. I didn't want it to pop so bright, so that's why I went with the white pearl paint for the base. Then I let the heels dry and then I went with colors over it. I'll mention all the colors in the description box too. So if you want to use the same colors, you can go and check out the description box. I used yellow pearl paints and pink pearl paint and blue pearl paint for the heels actually. So here I'm mixing pink pearl paint with white pearl paint so that I get a pastely kind of pearl metallic kind of effect to the paint. And the block heel was like a multicolored heel, so I had to do all those colors which were on the heels for the Chanel one. You can try for other shade of pearl paints also if you like something else. So I am going with the same shades. So first I started with the pink shade, then I think I went with the blue one and then the yellow one. So finally, the tip for you guys is that if you're making this DIY and you get a little bit of glue over the mirrors, don't worry, just clean it up using nail polish remover and fabric or cotton, and it's easy to clean up. So this is how the pumps turned out, guys. They look so beautiful and pretty. They look exactly similar to the Chanel ones. They are so expensive and I could make it at a very affordable price. I'm very happy with the way they look. If you like these pumps, please leave a comment in the comment box below and I'll try to make more such videos for you, and bye for now.